Hi, it's me. And I'm alive. Guess what happened today? Today is Friday and I am so excited. Everyone got a present. Oh my god. I got a present from Kat. Hey Kat. So let me open it. I'm so excited. I'm also excited and hope that she got it hers today too. How do I open it? Okay, just rip it out. Oh yeah, we talked about art because I sent her one and now she sent me hers, and I love to have art from my friends. And oh my god, let me see. Ooh. Oh my god. I'm gonna love. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Came a little bit damaged, but I will frame it. Oh my god, guys, this is amazing. Amazing. I'm so excited I can talk. Contaminated. Oh my god. I am in love. Kat, where is it? How did you get the permission to get to this place? Let me know! Let me know! Oh, I think this is my favorite. Oh my god. Oh, this is so me. Oh Lord. Another one. It's beautiful. Oh my god. My battery is dying. God. And there is a second envelope. Let's see what's inside. Oh. Oh my god. Scary bugs. Boom, boom, boom. And candy, atomic fireball. Oh please, oh it's my favorite. Oh please, oh it's my favorite. Oh please, oh it's my favorite. Cinnamon. I love cinnamon. Yeah, and you have also chewing gum with cinnamon. I have to try it directly. And before dinner, but I was missing that. Before we had an American store and we could buy it, but now we can't. I got Tarantula Kat pen. Oh, sorry, my nails. Just gonna do it today. Oh, thank you. Nobody can steal it at work now. Loving it. Oof, another ball. Girl, how did you know? I only use pen like this. It's so good. Thank you so much. Oh, I have another picture. It's a moon. Girl, we need to get on Skype and talk photography. Yay! And oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Mwah! I'm so excited. I'm gonna find frames. I think I have some. And I'm not gonna put it on a wall because I'm kind of moving soon, you know, selling this apartment, getting another one, moving with a boyfriend. But I'm so excited and I'm loving it. I cannot stress this enough. This is so good. This, let me see if I can focus on that, is the best candy ever for me. Oh my lord, atomic fireball cinnamon flavor candy. Mwah!